Today, we will talk about how to achieve financial independence by 30. Achieving financial independence by the age of 30 is a lofty but achievable goal, requiring strategic planning, disciplined saving, and smart investing. The concept of financial independence means you no longer rely on a traditional job to support your lifestyle. Instead, you have enough wealth or passive income streams to cover your living expenses. While there are many ways to achieve financial independence, there are a few key steps that, when followed, can put you on the path to reaching this goal in your 30s. 1. Cultivate the right financial mindset. The first step toward achieving financial independence is adopting the right mindset. Financial independence is more than just accumulating wealth, it's about reshaping your approach to money. This means learning to view money as a tool that works for you rather than something that dictates your lifestyle. Financial independence requires discipline, and your mindset will guide you when the inevitable temptations to spend or indulge arise. Cultivate a mindset of frugality and long-term thinking, and remind yourself that the sacrifices you make now will pay off in the future. 2. Set clear and specific financial goals. Once you've adopted the right mindset, it's time to set clear and specific financial goals. To work toward financial independence, you need to know exactly what that looks like for you. How much do you need in assets or passive income to cover your expenses without relying on your job? A goal of financial independence is too vague to work with. Instead, break it down into specific numbers. How much you need to save and invest, how much passive income you need to generate, and what your desired lifestyle looks like. 3. Live below your means. Living below your means is perhaps the most crucial step on the road to financial independence. It's easy to get caught up in lifestyle inflation, the tendency to increase your spending as your income increases. But if you want to become financially independent by 30, you need to fight this urge. Instead of inflating your lifestyle, focus on minimizing your expenses. Whether that's moving to a more affordable home, cooking at home more often, or eliminating unnecessary subscriptions, each dollar you save can be redirected into investments that will grow your wealth over time. The key here is not just saving, but actively choosing to prioritize your future financial independence over short-term desires. 4. Start investing early. Investing is the cornerstone of building wealth for financial independence. You can't rely on just saving money to reach your goal. It's through investing that your money will grow over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Even if you don't have much to invest at the beginning, it's better to start small and stay consistent than to wait for a perfect time. Open a brokerage account. Start contributing to retirement accounts like a 401 or IRA, and make your investments work for you. Over time, your investment portfolio will grow, and you'll move closer to achieving financial independence. 5. Maximize your retirement contributions. To achieve financial independence, you should prioritize contributing to retirement accounts, such as 401(k) or IRAs, because they offer significant tax advantages. Many employers also offer matching contributions to your 401(k), which is essentially free money. Take full advantage of these employer contributions by contributing enough to get the maximum match. This tax deferral accelerates your ability to build wealth. If you're self-employed or your employer doesn't offer a 401(k), consider contributing to an IRA. Over the years, tax-advantaged accounts can significantly boost your savings. 6. Diversify your income streams. While saving and investing are essential, having multiple streams of income can accelerate your journey toward financial independence. Relying on a single paycheck can be risky, and it may take longer to reach your goals. Diversifying your income ensures that you're not solely dependent on a job. Starting a side hustle, like freelancing, consulting, or selling products online. Investing in real estate for rental income or flipping properties. 7. Pay off debt quickly. Debt, especially high-interest debt like credit card balances, can seriously hinder your ability to save and invest. Paying down debt quickly is a critical step on your path to financial independence. Begin by paying off high-interest debts first and work your way down the list. Use the debt snowball method, starting with the smallest balance first, or the debt avalanche method, starting with the highest interest rate. Once you've eliminated your high-interest debts, allocate more money to your savings and investments. Having no debt means more of your money can go toward growing your wealth instead of paying interest. 8. Focus on building passive income. One of the key components of financial independence is building passive income. Passive income allows you to earn money with minimal effort, and it's the foundation that will support your lifestyle once you achieve financial independence. There are various ways to generate passive income, such as real estate investments that provide rental income, dividend-paying stocks that pay you a share of company profits, royalties from creative works like books, music, or digital products, peer-to-peer lending platforms. Building multiple streams of passive income will ensure that your wealth continues to grow, even when you're not actively working. The more passive income you create, the less dependent you are on a job. 9. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, it's easy to fall into the trap of upgrading your lifestyle, moving into a bigger house, buying a more expensive car, or indulging in luxury items. However, if you're serious about achieving financial independence by 30, avoiding lifestyle inflation is crucial. Instead of increasing your spending as your income increases, prioritize saving and investing the extra money. The more disciplined you are about maintaining a modest lifestyle, the more money you can put toward investments that will ultimately fund your early retirement or financial freedom. 10. Monitor your progress and adjust your plan. The final step to achieving financial independence by 30 is to regularly review your financial progress and make adjustments to your plan as needed. Keep track of your investments, assess whether you're meeting your financial goals, and identify any areas that need improvement. If your expenses increase or your income fluctuates, adjust your budget and savings goals accordingly. Staying adaptable and focused on your long-term goal of financial independence is essential for success. Regularly tracking your progress helps you stay motivated and ensures that you're on track to meet your goal of being financially independent by 30. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.